front of a 1995 Daihatsu HiJet deki van. And basically this is a 660cc minivan, 4-seater. Obviously you can see the van portion here, but on the back it's got a small cargo area or a pickup truck style area to the back of it. Don't see a lot of them around anymore. They used to make or have quite a few of them in the market, but a lot of them have been bought up. This is a pretty nice example here, just about 25,000 kilometers. And this particular one is a manual transmission, but it's only a 2-wheel drive. Look at the inside here. In the rear seat. 25,000 Ks, 5-speed. They do come in 4-wheel drive as well, but this one is not one.